Hey guys, today we are going to talk about 4 ways that you can earn money online as a teenager or if you just want some extra money. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and comment down below on what you want to see next. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Starting with number 1, and that is through selling stuff on online marketplaces, such as Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, you name it. Just find a marketplace and you can literally sell anything you have. We all have some items at our house that we don't need anymore, some old toys or something, and you can consider listing them on these marketplaces and see if you can find a buyer and make some quick cash. There is also another aspect to this because, on these marketplaces, you can basically get stuff for free, so you can search around and find something valuable. And then if you think it's a lucrative item, you can just buy it or get it for free, pick it up and then resell it on the same marketplace. You could possibly even add more value to the product by cleaning it, fixing it, etc. So making the product better than it was before can also make you some money. Another side to this reselling business is that you can try to get some exclusive products such as sneakers that are limited, and basically anything that is limited people are willing to pay a lot for. To do this with sneakers, I would recommend downloading the Nike app where they are getting released exclusive shoes daily. Sometimes these shoes are really rare, and if you manage to get your hands on a pair, you could make some quick money. Make sure that the shoes are worth more than you buy them for before doing this method. It really depends on luck, because to get these shoes you are competing in a raffle, which means that only a few people get access to buy them. But if you keep joining these raffles, you might get access to buy a few. Many teenagers are making a lot doing this method. So the next method to make money online as a teen is to open a Fiverr. So if you don't know what Fiverr is a leading online marketplace that offers services referred to as gigs. It's a platform where freelancers can list and advertise their digital services to buyers all over the world. There are plenty of gigs in different categories, including programming, digital marketing, lifestyle and graphics, and design, and video editing, to name a few. Whether you're good at writing, web development, drawing, or something else, you can make money on Fiverr doing what you are good at. If you don't really feel you have anything to offer at Fiverr, stick to the video, because in the 4th method we are going to use other people's services in order to make money, so stick around and wait for that one. So for example, if you are trying to sell your video editing skills on there, you can try to make a really good trailer off that so that people can see your skills before just scrolling past your gig. I would also suggest starting with a price that is below average. Later on, you can raise the price depending on demand. The only thing is with Fiverr is that there is a lot of competition between sellers. It's hard to be at the top of the search term, but if you sell a unique gig for a reasonable price, I'm sure you will be able to get sales, and from there you will gain reviews and keep raising in the search ranking. Setting up your profile and gigs should not take more than 10 minutes, so why not give it a try? I will leave a link to Fiverr in the description below. Now, moving on to the next method. And that is using a platform that is called StudyPool. This platform is similar to Fiverr. You can make listings on the platform, but it's just not gigs. On StudyPool, you can list your homework or other valuable documents you have, maybe a study guide or something else. After you have made and posted the documents, you don't have to do anything. People will then pay for each download of your documents. So this is actually a really good way to make passive money. You just have to upload your files, and some people might find them helpful, and you will basically profit off that. So this is really easy to do, and it really doesn't take any time. So I really recommend you to try this method. There are millions and millions of people on the platform searching for very specific documents that you might have made. So, if you have anything valuable that you might think people would like, then you can just upload it. Now, the next method I want to talk about is something called drop servicing, and drop servicing, which is using other people's services and providing them to other people for higher prices. So what I mean by that is that you can, for example, go on Fiverr, which is the platform we talked about earlier, and then purchase a logo or video editing gig for someone else. So if someone pays you $100 to you because they need a logo, you can then go on to Fiverr and get a logo made for $50, which means that you have made $50 profit from that purchase. So using this method does not require any skills, you just need to find people that need services and then charge them for the service and find someone to do the service cheaper. So you are making a profit by connecting the two parties. These were the 4 methods for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see next.